Today we will be using 6 vintage trick-or-treat cookie cutters for Halloween with MariaLovesArt. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So we recently went to a thrift shop and I found these cookie cutters, trick-or-treat cookie cutters. There's 6 of them in this box. And they're for cutting cheese, cranberries, jellies, thin bread slices, and clay art. This was a very interesting box when I saw it, and it was only $1.99 at the thrift shop. Extremely cheap. I've seen some for $70.06 on eBay, $19.99, $37.85 on eBay. So they are quite expensive somewhere else, but I was so very lucky to find these. I just love it because, you know, I didn't have these shapes and metal cookie cutters, and I love to bake and do all kinds of cake decorating things. I think these are very unique. Look at this. It's just so neat. It's the broomstick. There's a witch, an owl, a pumpkin, a cat, and a bat. Very, very neat. And the size is pretty big too. I thought this was very, very neat. Look how long it is. It's a broomstick. Then we have the cat. Of course, I'm thinking of a black cat for Halloween, and a jack-o'-lantern. Or you could use this for fall, so. And a mean old witch. And an owl. This is cute for fall. So yeah, I was very, very lucky to find these cookie cutters. And let's just take a look at the box again. It's very, very cool. When I was walking around, I was just looking and this just popped right out. And I had to see what it was, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get this. So you can find some really cool stuff at the thrift shop, believe it or not. Well, let's see what I can do with these cookie cutters. So the cookie cutter voodoo dolls, and they are from my video, How to Make Voodoo Doll Cookies for Halloween 2021 with MariaLovesArt. If you have time, check it out because they are very cool. I just love this owl. It is such a beautiful shape. So when I was editing the video, I noticed our cat in the background. He just made me laugh. He usually makes this sound. Loves to talk, and he is hilarious. So I'm going to go ahead and use some fondant for this cookie. I'm brushing on a little mixture of fondant and a little bit of water. I am using a knife to add details to this broom. You might not be able to see the lines much, but once I add some food color, you will be able to see it. So instead of adding color to a whole bunch of fondant, I'm just painting it on. It just seems kind of fun and it's different. So I'm using some food color also, just painting because it's so much fun. And then I'm going to use a marker that is for edible food. I'm just going to add it to the stem. So I am making another black cat, but this cat will have a bent tail on it. If the fondant feels too sticky, make sure you add a little bit of confectioner sugar to it. I am making some eyes for the bat. I'm just rolling them up and just putting a little bit of fondant water to glue them on. I am using a black marker used for food, and then I am going to make some little fangs for the bat. I'm going to go ahead and make them out of fondant. I'm going to add a little bit of food color around the bat. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I will try to reply. I am working on the witch. I'm going to go ahead and use fondant for this. I'm going to add a little bit of fondant with water to apply it. It's time to work on the owl. I'm going to use fondant for this also. I am using the end of a cake decorating tip to make some little curves on the owl. I had to make the fondant a little bit darker because it was blending in with the owl. I went ahead and added a little bit of confectioner sugar because it was feeling sticky. I had to mix more fondant for the eyes. This owl is coming to life. I'm going to add some glitter shimmer to him. It is food safe. I really like the way the broom came out. I went ahead and added some glitter shimmer to the switch. I think the owl is my favorite, but when I'm seeing them all together, they all become my favorite. They just work so well together. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great and safe Halloween.